Nora found solace and clarity through the practice of nature journaling, a unique form of expression that fostered mental well-being. Initially battling stress from her hectic urban life, she stumbled upon the simple joy of capturing nature's beauty on paper. With each entry describing her observations of local parks, Nora experienced reduced anxiety and a renewed sense of connection to her surroundings. The process of sketching, detailing, and reflecting on her outdoor experiences offered her emotional release and mental clarity. Over time, nature journaling became not just a hobby, but a therapeutic tool that enriched her life and nurtured her mental health, offering viewers a fresh perspective on incorporating nature and mindfulness into their well-being routines.